Lubuntu versus Kubuntu. Which Ubuntu flavor is better? Choosing the right Ubuntu flavor can completely change how you experience Linux without unnecessary complexity. Lubuntu offers lightweight simplicity, while Kubuntu delivers a polished, full-featured desktop experience. Lubuntu and Kubuntu are both official Ubuntu variants, but their core difference lies in desktop environments. Lubuntu uses LXQT for a lightweight, resource-friendly interface, while Kubuntu runs KDE Plasma, focusing on visual polish and advanced features. Lubuntu is a lightweight Ubuntu flavor designed to run efficiently on older or low-spec hardware. It uses the LXQT desktop environment, which emphasizes speed and minimal resource usage without sacrificing usability. Ubuntu works by offering a clean, straightforward interface with essential applications pre-installed, making it easy to navigate for users who want simplicity. Its strengths include fast boot times, low memory consumption, and compatibility with a wide range of hardware. However, it lacks some of the advanced customization and eye candy found in heavier desktop environments. Ubuntu is ideal for users who prioritize performance and stability over flashy visuals, such as those running older PCs, netbooks, or systems with limited RAM and CPU power. Kubuntu is an Ubuntu variant that features a KDE Plasma desktop environment, known for its modern, visually appealing interface and extensive customization options. It works by integrating KDE's powerful tools and applications with Ubuntu's core system, providing a full-featured desktop experience. Kubuntu's strengths include a polished look, a wide range of built-in utilities, and flexible settings that let users tailor the desktop to their workflow. It also supports high-end hardware well, making it suitable for modern machines. The main limitation is that it requires more system resources than Lubuntu, which can affect performance on older or less powerful computers. Ubuntu is best suited for users who want a rich desktop environment with advanced features and are running relatively recent hardware that can handle the additional load. Comparing Lubuntu and Kubuntu highlights a trade-off between performance and features. Ubuntu excels on older or resource-constrained systems, delivering a fast, lightweight experience with a simple interface. It's perfect for users needing efficiency without distractions. Kubuntu, on the other hand, offers a visually stunning and highly customizable desktop, ideal for users who want a modern look and advanced tools. However, this comes at the cost of higher system requirements. For everyday tasks on newer hardware, Kubuntu provides more flexibility and polish. But if you are reviving an older PC or want a no-nonsense setup, Lubuntu is the better choice. Both maintain Ubuntu stability and software compatibility, so your decision ultimately depends on your hardware and personal preference. Choose Ubuntu if you need a lightweight, fast and simple Ubuntu flavor that runs smoothly on older or low-spec hardware without unnecessary features. Opt for Kubuntu if you prefer a polished, feature-rich desktop with extensive customization and modern visuals, and your system can handle the extra resource demands. Both flavors offer reliable Ubuntu foundations, so pick the one that fits your hardware and workflow best.